To all the nature lovers out there, how well do you know nature? Let's find out in the short quiz. What is the baby of a koala called? Joey. A group of owls is known as what? A parliament. Which bird was once used in coal mines to detect toxic gases? Canary. Which invention was inspired by the hooks on a plant bud? Velcro. Which ecosystem holds the highest biodiversity on Earth? Rainforest. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments.